explain about some of the logical operators like operator, not like operator, or operator. First of all, what is a like operator? Like operator determines whether a specific character string matches to the character to the specified pattern. This pattern may be a regular characters or any wildcard characters. For example, here the wildcard characters are percentile, underscore, and this square brackets and not square brackets. So first of all, we will be explaining about how it percentile symbol, how it works as this wildcard character. See, I have a table like employee details. This is the data which it has in as employee details. Here select star from employee details, where employee name is like. Here I have used like operator. It compares it matches the string with this particular which I have given. Here I have given like a string as percentile D and percentile. Percentile means the characters in it can be any characters before D and after D. In that sense, if we see the D, see here Anand in front, where there are some characters that any characters can be, and the backside it no characters also it will take. And the D, like how many are there, that and all characters, it matches with the string and it retrieves the data. If I execute this, see all the data with the D characters will be there, D, and front and back any characters can be. This is how the data is retrieved with this percentile wildcard character. And the next thing is select star from employee details, where employee name, like here I have given underscore. That underscore represent only one character. If a underscore small a underscore, here I have given percent, means any number of characters can be there after that. If I execute this, it will checks with the letter with the capital letter A. See, starting with the capital letter and any number can be C. Here one is Anand and another thing is Arvind. This is how its underscore wildcard character is compared. And the third one is, if I give, see this is another wildcard character like D to R is square brackets. It represents between the alphabets from D to R, that data will be retrieved starting with the D and ends with the R character. See, with it should match like D with the starting letter D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Until R characters, how many data names are there, that and all will be coming. See, D, R, K. This is the data which it is retrieved. Means within these square brackets, if we give D dash R, means from D to R it will give. See, the same thing if I give in the square bracket D comma R, it only retrieves the data with the starting with D and R only. If I execute this is only D and R data will be coming. These are the some of the wildcard characters that matches here. Like operator is explained with this wildcard characters. Here it is not like, the same thing, opposite like and not like. Now means it did other than this matches which does not match, that data will be retrieved here. See, other than D characters, that and all the data is retrieved. And this is not like D and R. DR means other than the D and R data, all the data will be retrieved. This is a not like operator. So next thing is not operator. Here is select star from employee operator, where employee name, like this is the from wildcard this section, and not department ID equal to 5. See, if I execute until this, we will get some data. So this is how we will get here. And again, and not department ID equal to 5 means, and department ID is also not 5. It compares and operator and not department C other than the department ID 5. It compares first, and not operator is used here, logical operator. And this is also the same thing. Retrieve the data and not department ID is 3. Other than department ID 3, we have got the retrieved data. OR operator. This OR operator combines two conditions, like it will contains when more than one logical operator is used in the statement, this OR operator is used first. See, here select star from employee details where employee name like D and department ID equal to 3 or department ID equal to 2. First it compares here department ID equal to 3 or department ID equal to 2. Then it compares and it checks the conditions, like and condition is checked again. See, if I execute this, department ID 3 or 2 will be coming, and the condition it should satisfy this, like this, and department ID equal to 3, that data is retrieved here. So this is how data is retrieved. See, here also select star from employee group where department ID equal to 2 or employee salary is 40. So it compares like both the department ID, it can be 2 or employee salary can be 40. See here it is the 10th employee ID, how we got it's an department ID is not 3, or it compares like whether employee salary is 40,000, like it compares here. It's it both it satisfies the condition, like or condition, like it can satisfy this condition or this condition. This is how an OR operator works. These are the some of the logical operators which are explained in this video: OR operator, NOT operator, and the thing is like operator with the wildcard characters. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.